Okay. Hey, Spinner. Hey, Spinner. Can you say, thank you, Mom?
No, Mom.
No, Mom. Thank you, Spinner. Hey, can you say trick or treat? Trick or treat? You like a trick or treat?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fun. Spinner, can you say, get me, get me?
Yummy.
Get me, get me. How about Tico Tico? Tito Tito. That's funny. Hey, Spinner, do you remember your friend William?
Yeah.
Can you say William?
Yeah.
Yeah. And was he cute?
Yeah.
Say cute.
Good.
Cute. Yayam is so cute, huh? How about, can you say, do you remember your ABC song? Oh, that puts you right to sleep. Okay, never mind.
No.